Hello, my name is Joe White. When a service provider comes to my business, I have extremely high expectations just like you. I want them to be prompt, polite, professional, and competent in the service they provide. I need them available to serve us 24/7 in case of an emergency. I need minimal downtime to ensure productivity of our organization. I need to trust them to resolve the issues with a minimum amount of disruption to our daily operation and ensure a safe working environment for our employees. Electricity is something we all need and can't live without. That is why I have established service standards that deliver on what we both expect from a service company. Our master electricians are licensed, insured, and will arrive in a uniform with an ID badge and a fully stocked truck. I know you have many choices when choosing an electrician. Your time is precious and you should not be waiting around for service. I understand this, and as the CEO of Thomas Edison Electric, I guarantee that we'll arrive on time. If we're late, the service call is free without exception or excuse. Some of the local businesses we serve in the community are Comcast, Barnes & Noble, Sheraton Hotels, Applebee's, and Verizon. I promise we'll treat your business and employees with respect and get the job done right the first time. Business is personal to us, and it shows in everything that we do. Thanks for watching.